Google's new AI Nano Banana figurine is exploding on Instagram and TikTok. But here's the crazy part. Almost nobody's posting it on YouTube yet. Here's how you do it. First, open Google Chrome and search for celebrities' images. Now write Cristiano Ronaldo and download a clear image of him. In the same way, download images of any celebrity. In my case, I am downloading Donald Trump and Leonardo DiCaprio images. Now, go to Google AI Studio. It's free. Click on Generative Media. Now click on Try Nano Banana. You can see that the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model is selected. The next step is to upload the images we have already downloaded. Let's first upload the image of Ronaldo. Click here on the plus icon. Click on Upload File. Select the image of Ronaldo. Now go to my video description and copy the first prompt, Futuristic Figurine. Now click on Run. It will take some time and generate an image. Once the image is generated, download it. In the same way, upload the image of Trump. Copy the second prompt from the video description, paste it, and click Run. It will take a few moments to generate, then download the image to your computer. Next, upload the image of Leonardo DiCaprio. Copy the third prompt from the description, paste it, click Run, and download the result. Now it is the time to turn those images into a 6 to 8 second shorts. Open Google Gemini. Click on Tools and select Create Video with VEO. Click on Add Photo and select the image. In the prompt section, write, "The person is brushing and cleaning the 3D model." It may take a few moments to generate the video. Once the process is complete, simply click the download button to save your video. In the same way, upload the next image. Now write this. The person standing on the glass is spinning while everything else remains still. It may take a few moments to generate the video. Once the process is complete, simply click the download button to save your video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.